Good morning, everyone. How are you? Hope you all are fine. Alright, so, class, before starting our topic, we will read our weekly learning. Alright, टॉपिक स्टार्ट करने से पहले हम वीकली लर्निंग पढ़ेंगे. Alright, so let's start. This one, fruit of the week. Fruit of the week is blueberry. Fruit of the week is blueberry. This is blueberry. Alright. Fruit of the week is blueberry. Shape of the week. Shape of the week is diamond. Shape of the week is diamond. This is diamond. Shape of the week is diamond. Color of the week. Color of the week is blue. Color of the week is blue. Alright? Blue. Sentence of the week is all the best for examination. All the best for examination. Okay? Sentence of the week is all the best for examination. Exam के लिए all the best. Okay? Word of the week is examination. Word of the week is examination. Alright? Examination. 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 Okay? Word of the week is examination. Month of the year is May. It is the month of May. So, month of the year is May. M-A-Y, May. Month of the year is May. Okay? So, let's start our topic. So, UKG class, this is your English period. Okay? Take out your English notebook. Yes, this one. Okay? We have already done A to U letters in cursive writing. Okay? हम already A to U letter तक हम complete कर चुके हैं cursive writing. Okay? Now we will continue it. हम इसे continue करेंगे. So firstly, put the date here. What is the date today? Yes, 10 May 21. Alright? And what is the day today? It's Monday. Alright? Use sketch pen for heading, date and day. Alright? Now here, heading is cursive writing. Alright? Cursive writing. We have to write like this. Okay? Cursive writing. Now, letter U after U. Letter V. U. Sorry. V. V to Z. Alright? Letter V to Z. So, V to Z. Alright? V to Z. Now let's start. Letter V. V for fan. V for van. V for violin. You have to write like this. Okay? And you have to write 6 times. Alright? Repeat 6 times. V for van, V for violin. Next letter is W. W. W for watch. W for watch. Okay? We have to write like this. Okay? W for watch. Next letter is X. You have to write like this. This one and this one. Alright? like this, and X for xylophone, X for Xmas tree, X for Xmas tree. Okay, X. Next is Y. Y for yak. Y for yak. You have to write like this. You have to cover 3 lines. Alright. Then like this. Okay. Do your work carefully. Okay. Y. Y for yak. Alright. Next letter is Z. Z for zebra. We have to write like this. Z for zebra, Z for zip. Okay, Z for zebra, Z for zip. Okay, so it's done. Now we have learned A to Z in cursive writing. Alright, आपको लिखना आ गया है A to Z. You have to write 6 times. Alright, 6 times आपको रिपीट करना है इसे. एंड प्रैक्टिस, डू प्रैक्टिस इन रफ नोटबुक. ओके, रफ नोटबुक में आपको प्रैक्टिस करते रहना है. ऑलराइट, सो नाउ वी विल डू fill in the blanks. Okay, so UKG class, next is fill in the blanks. Alright, use cursive writing, FILL, fill in the blanks. Alright, fill in the blanks. आपको खाली स्थान भरना है. ओके, fill in the blanks. Now, like it is the letter of A. Alright, okay. So what will you do? A, letter A. Okay, और यहाँ पर आपको मिसिंग वर्ड लिखना है. ऑलराइट, फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स. जो ब्लैंक्स बने हैं इनको आपने फिल करना है. ओके, व्हाट कम्स आफ्टर बी? ए के बाद क्या आता है? ए बी. ए फॉर एप्पल, बी फॉर बॉल. सो यू हैव टू राइट हियर बी, बट यूज ओनली कर्सिव राइटिंग. ऑलराइट, बी. Now next is C. What comes after C? A, B, C and D. Like this. Okay. Now what comes after D? E. E. Alright. E. Then F. What comes after F? G. Yes. G. Okay. Capital and cursive writing. G. What comes after G? H. H for hen. I. Sorry. I. This one. I. Now what comes after I? J. J में आपको पूरी लाइन कवर करनी है. राइट, 4 लाइन. ओके, J. Then K. Now you have to fill all the blanks. Alright, K, L. What comes after L? M. Yes, cursive M. Okay, आपको यहाँ तक पूरी 3 lines कवर करनी है. M. And next is O. Then P, Q, R. Now S. class like this. आपको बिल्कुल ऐसे ही बनाना है, नीट एंड क्लीन, क्लियरली, ओनली कर्सिव राइटिंग, ऑलराइट. S T then U V then अभी मैंने आपको सिखाया W like this, 3 लाइन्स कवर कीजिए W, ऑलराइट. नाउ X कैसे बनाएंगे हम? like this, W X Y and last one is Z. 4 लाइन्स कवर करनी है. ओके. A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y Z. Alright. So this is your homework. You have to note down in your English notebook. Okay. And you have to revise it. आपको इसे revise भी करना है और अपनी नोटबुक में नोट डाउन करना है. Alright. This one and जो मैंने इससे पहले करवाया आपको, that one. Alright. So it's enough for today class. Do practice at your home. Okay. So have a good day class.